Good day and welcome to video number 8 of the 2023 Math and Stats Demonstrate Mathematical Reasoning paper number 91947, and it's worth 5 credit. This is a pilot assessment because this is the first time it's going to be introduced in 2024. So without further ado, let's do question 2b part 1 and part 2. So part 1 looks like this. Okay, so the part 1 question is an isosceles triangle ABC has sides AB is 2x and AC equal to BC equal to y. So these two are isosceles triangle. So so the perimeter is 100. So the perimeter y plus 2x is going to be 100. The length of the perpendicular from C, okay, this C to the line AB is 10, and this is the right angle. So the question asks you find the length y, either this y or that y, from A to C. Give your answers in terms of x. So y is quite straightforward. We know that 2x, the length here, 2x plus 2y, because y plus y is 2y, is equal to 100 because the perimeter is going to be 100. So we're going to find y in terms of x. So we're going to put the y on the left hand side and x on the right hand side. So we minus 2x on both sides of the equation. So this will cancel out. So 2y equals to 100 minus 2x. So that is the first step we're going to do. And to get y, we're going to divide by 2 on both sides of the equation. So y equals to 100 minus 2x divided by 2. And you simplify them, it's going to be 50 minus x. And that is a simple question, and that is the merit in this paper. Great, now we shall do part 2, and that is an excellent question. Okay, part 2 sounds like this, okay? So I've recopied the graph again, okay? Use Pythagoras theorem to find the area of the triangle ABC. So to do a Pythagoras theorem, it must be a right angle. So we're going to use this triangle, okay? C, the middle point here, and B, okay? So maybe we label that as O. So C, O, B, okay? So to get the Pythagoras theorem, if the length AB is 2x because it's isosceles triangle, the length are the same, so OB has to be x, okay? So we're going to form an equation based on the triangle COB. To do that, we just put x squared plus 10 squared equals to y squared using Pythagoras theorem, okay? If you're not sure, please watch video on Pythagoras theorem. So a squared plus b squared equals to the longer side, which is the y squared, okay? So now we have done it, we're going to simplify them. So y squared we found earlier in the previous video. Okay, I repeat again. Y is going to be this number here. 50, y equal to 50 minus x. We're going to use that in today's equation. So now we are going to replace y with 50 minus x. Okay, 50 minus x, and then we need to square it because it's a y squared. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to expand this part of the equation. So we're going to do a grid, okay? That is the most common way to do because if not, you make a mistake. So it's going to be 50 minus x, 50 minus x. So 50 times 50 is 2005. 50 times minus x is going to be minus 50x. The same, 50 times minus x is minus 50x. And then minus x times minus x is going to be plus x squared. So we're going to put everything this out into the equation. So that equation is going to be 2500 minus 50x minus 50x is going to be minus 100x, and then plus x squared on the right hand side, and the left hand side is going to be x squared plus 10 squared, or 10 squared is 100. So now to simplify that, because there are x squared on both sides, if we minus x squared on both sides, the x squared will cancel out. So now we left with the equation 2005. I'm just going to swap this over because we want to put the x on the left hand side. So 2005 minus 100x is equal to 100. So I just swap the equation, and then to get this part here, we need to minus 2005 on both sides, and the answer is going to be minus 100x is equal to minus 2004, and then you multiply by negative 1. 100x is equal to 22,400. You get rid of the negative sign, and then you divide by 100 on both sides. So x equals to 24. Okay, that is the first part. If we know x is 24, AB is going to be 2x. 2x will be equal to 48. That's the length of AB. So to calculate the area, it's straightforward. I'm going to bring it up again. Okay, area, if you know, area of a triangle is going to be half times base times height. Your base, as I said before, is going to be AB, which is 2x. And then your height is going to be 10. And then you calculate, it's going to be 2 and 2 will cancel out. So the answer is going to be 10x. Okay? 10x because x is 24. So it's going to be 10 times 24. And the answer is going to be 240 centimeter squared. So that is how we calculate the value, the area of the triangle. And that is an excellent question. Have a good day, everyone, and I'll see you soon.